Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can claim the half anniversary gift in Heartopia. Okay, first you're going to go to the globe menu and then you're going to go to the discovery, and here you will see the half anniversary gift, the thank you gift. You're going to click on claim rewards here, and the rewards will be automatically sent to your mailbox. Okay, now you're going to open up your watch menu and go to your mailbox. Okay, and then you will be able to claim the half anniversary gift right here. We will get exhibition pass in Heartopia commemorative birthday glasses, and also this shirt. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna claim them all. Wow, that's so cool. And I'm going to try the shirt. So I'm gonna go to my dress up menu and I'm going to view the shirt. Wow, that's super cute, super cool and cute. Okay guys, and that's how you can claim the half anniversary gift in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.